Hi guys, welcome to my channel Coded. In the last video, we have seen how to use multi-column section to create beautiful testimonials. In this video, we are going to see how to customize image with text section to create a beautiful UI, which will help to drive sale on the website. Using this section, we can display a category of product. We can display the product image. Then we can have the heading along with paragraph, and we can also have a button. So without wasting much time, let's start. But if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please go ahead and click the subscribe button down. Now let's open the theme customizer. In my previous video, I have already shown you how to open theme customizer. Once you open the theme customizer, you need to open image with text. Once you select it, you can see the preview in the center. At the right side, we have the properties of this section. First, we have the image. In order to select the image, we need to click on select image button. Then we can select the image that we want by uploading a new image or by selecting image from free images. Let me select one. Now you can see that the image what I have selected now appears in the center over here. Then we have image height. This option is used to change the height of the image. Currently it has adapt to image. So currently it is taking the height of the image. Then we have small and large. By changing it to small, you can see that the image is getting cropped. Let's keep adapt to image only because images might have different heights. So we don't want images to get cut. So depending on the image height, it will automatically take the height for that particular section also. Then we have desktop image width. Currently, the image width is medium. We can change it to small or we can change it to large. Small looks much better, so I am going with small. Then we have desktop image placement. Currently, you can see that the image is placed first and then the text is placed. We can change it to image second. Then the image will be moved in the second position. That is, the text is shown first, then the image is shown. You can select the option as per your requirement. Then we have desktop content position. Currently, it shows top. This is basically related to the text that is given over here. The text is shown currently in the top side. We can change it to middle or bottom. Let's keep middle because middle looks much better. Then we have desktop content alignment. This is again related to the text. As you can see, the text is aligned at the left side. We can change it to center or at the right side. Center looks much better. So let's keep it at the center only. Then we have content layout. Currently it is no overlap. If we select overlap, then the text content will get overlap on the image. So let's keep no overlap. Then we have color scheme for the text section. We can change it as per our requirement. For me, background 2 looks much better. We then have mobile layout settings. First, let's change the resolution to mobile. Now, let's do the change. If you see, we have option for mobile content alignment. Currently, the text content on the mobile layout is aligned at the left side. We can change it to center, left or right. Let's select center because center looks much better. Then we have section padding. We can change the top and bottom padding of the section. We can either increase it or we can reduce it. Once the changes are done, we need to click on Save. Now let's see how the section looks on the front end of the website. Let me refresh this page. As you guys can see, the image with text section looks much better. We have the image over here. Now we need to customize the text section. Let's open the customizer. Now click on image with text option over here. We have two things over here. First, heading and then heading size. Let's give a heading. Coolest fashion. Then we can change the heading size. Currently it is medium. We can change it to small, medium or large. I think medium looks much better. Then we can change the paragraph content. Let's paste some text from Lorem Ipsum website. Let me copy this text. And let's replace this text over here. We can also change the text style. Currently it is body. We can change it to subtitle. And last we have button. Under button settings, we can change the button label and we can change the button link. Let's give option as explore. Now let me give a link to this button. I'll give collection as sales. So whenever someone will click on the button, he will be redirected to sales collection. After making the changes, we need to click on save. Now, once the changes are saved, we need to go on the front end and we need to refresh the page. Let's see how the changes looks. There you go guys. The changes looks fabulous. We have successfully customized image with text section. We have an image at the right side and on the left side we have heading followed by paragraph text and then we have a button. By clicking on this button, user will be redirected to other page. Similarly, you can create more similar sections to drive traffic to other categories. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any queries related to this video, then please go ahead and leave a comment. I will surely make time to answer your comment. Before ending this video, I would like to inform you that we are a community and to support this community, we need subscribers. So please go ahead and click the subscribe button down. Also, don't forget to like and share this video.